going to take the feet and put them on the outsides of the shoulder rests. So what I've done is I have my heels kind of hugging the outside edges of the shoulder rests. And now I'm going to take my arms, I'm going to see if I can bend them through, and I'm just going to reach them up to here. So from here, I'm going to lift my arms, bring them right above shoulder height, and then reach the arms backwards. Trying to implement the idea that my pelvis is neutral and I have my rib cage also pulled down a little here. Inhale, the arms come up. Respect the natural curve of the cervical spine as well. Careful that your chin's not tucked too tight, that your cervical spine is flat. And now let's open. On this one, circle out to the sides, stabilize the carriage, and come up. My arms go back. Hug the shoulder rest for extra stability. Arms come out to the sides. This is kind of that hug a tree feeling. When my arms lift, the carriage is very still. So pay attention to that this time. Arms go back. You open them out to shoulder height, like a hug a tree height. Now when your arms come up, don't let the carriage roll at all. Again, take them back. Circle out. And bring them up. Now, take your feet. I'm going to open my arms for a little bit better balance. See if you can put your feet on your headrest. Same exercise. Arms come up. Arms go back. Careful. Arms circle. Stable carriage. Arms lift up. Arms go back. Arms circle. Just flipping my hands a little bit. And arms come up. Arms go back. They circle. Equal energy into both straps. I have one arm that's wanting to not pull on the strap. And we go back. And we circle. And the arms come up. Now bring your arms down and just rest for a second. Return the feet out to being on the outside of the shoulder rests for more stability as we work through the next exercise. So for the next one, I'm just going to put my handles on kind of like bracelets. And I'm going to hold the ends of the straps. As I come up, I'll curl and do some little crunches here. So inhale to prepare. Exhale, draw the chin down, curl up, and just pull the hands to where they're at a 90-degree angle at the elbow. Elbow slightly lifted. And from here, crunch up one. So try to keep the carriage still. Don't move the arms. You're just stabilizing. 6, 7. We're going to hold up on 8. Now from here, maintain this high curl. I have my palms facing each other, and I'm going to send the carriage back and pull the elbows in, maintain that curl. Reach the arms 2, bend it in. It's got to be dynamic. Reach it back 3, bend it in. Put the head down, rest the neck for an inhale. Curl up, do it again. So I'm back to 90 at the elbow, and I crunch up 1, and down, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, last one, come up and hold, send the arms out, bring them in, send them out 2, bring them in, send them out 3, bring them in, we rest down, and now to make it more challenging, walk the feet onto the headrest, bend the elbows. Ugh. Yeah, I gotta get the handles on the other side of my elbows. All right, here we go. Elbows stay high, inhale, prepare. Exhale, chin to chest, curl, and crunch, up, and 2, and 3. Woo! 4. Lift to your high part of the crunch and hold. Send your arms out, bring them in. 2. Bring them in. 3. Bring them in. Rest with just 1 inhale. Curl up. Do it again. 5. 4. Oh my gosh, almost lost that. 3, 2, curl high and hold and go. Out and in. 2 and in. 3 and in and rest. Oh.